So I'm headed out to Veg Fest today. I'm stuck in traffic on my way to Veg Fest because it's in Fort Lauderdale. I don't know what's going on. I don't know if there's an accident, but it's typical Miami that there's traffic on a Saturday. Since I didn't get up as early as I planned to make a big breakfast, I just did a avocado bagel instead of avocado toast. So I made half of a bagel and I toasted it, and then I topped it with some homemade garlic hummus, some guacamole from Good Foods. They sent me some of their products to try, so I put their guacamole on it as opposed to just slicing an avocado. It was much faster and it tastes better. And then I sliced some persimmons and topped it with that. I'm also trying one of their juices. It's the watermelon juice. It's actually pretty good. It tastes like pure watermelon. According to the bottle, it has a pound of watermelon. I've tried one of their other juices. It's called hard green juice, which is just green vegetables, and it was okay. The only reason why I'm saying it's okay is because you can taste the celery in it, and I'm not a fan of raw celery. I like it cooked and in soups and things like that, but if you like raw celery, then you may like that drink. I want to thank Good Foods for sending me some of their products to try. I love their guacamole. I mean, as you can see, I put it on everything, including my breakfast. It's so much more versatile that you could just put it in any meal, not just eat it with chips. At Veg Fest, I had these vegan buffalo wings made out of seitan from a food stand called These Wings. They had meaty texture that resembled boneless wings and were tossed in buffalo wing sauce.